Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we're going to work on paper plane 17 of our 100 exotic paper airplane challenge. It's the Jumping Jack by Andrew Dewar. This tutorial is presented to you by Wilson Lee. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to help you practice origami on a regular basis. Every week, I'm going to choose at a minimum of 2 different models and show you how to fold them. One of them is going to be from my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge, and the other, an origami model that's never seen before on my channel. So remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my tutorials. If you've got an extra few minutes, please check out a few more of my videos. If you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time.